Then the further you can just check that the important, whenever you are dealing with this particular section 52, again you should take into consideration, you should re-examine the situation. That exactly whenever you are doing particular activity, although you are doing it in academic setup, you should check whether it is a really a copy, it is coming under section 52 or it is not coming under section 52, because consultancy projects if you are doing, and for that you are doing the research, then it will not come under section 52 because commercial gain is there. So that differences are there. So we have to appreciate that difference. That is one example. So don't consider every academic activity or the activities which are done in academic institute are the copyright that coming under section 52. That is not the situation. Examination of every case is important. Quoting from the book, obviously you are giving attribution, which is a moral right of the author. So that is very important if you are doing that, section 52. Parodying of a song, allowed. Using clips from a movie in a documentary, allowed. But again this one case is there that that fraction of second also if you like using in the documentary without permission, and if the owner is like aggrieved because of that, then they can initiate actions.